So yeah, I'm not in the middle floor, buddy.
You're not in the middle floor.
Hey, don't step on those red baskets, you biggin.
Shut up, pig. Where are you?
Kidding me, dude.
Why did you step it away?
You bat
Why did you step on those red baskets? You walked out of the room. Why did you say that? You bigot.
Jack, where are you?
Jack, where are you?
I can see you, pig.
Shut up, Mollusk.
It's not fair. There are two of you.
Who cares, pig? That hurt, Esky. I saw that.
You didn't, pig.
Would you happen to be a propane?
No. Just stay away, pig.
Alright, check. Are you still in the basement, biggin?
No, I
Look
left.
left.
Pig.
I saw him leave.
You
I was gonna use my.
You should have heard me leave.
I was gonna use my grenade launcher. Stop shooting everything, bigot.
I didn't mean to shoot. I didn't mean to shoot.
You fat pig.
Shut up, pig. Yes, I can. Dang it! You fat pig!
Where was it?
Oh, was it chair?
It was a chair.
Who knocked over this propane tank? Who was it?
I see you down there in the kitchen, you big baby.
You fat stupid pig.
No!
I saw your red name, pig.
Is there a free cam? He's in the room with you. Oh, I shouldn't have said that. No, run!
Stop opening doors.
Yeah, pig. I literally hear you opening those doors, fat mollusk.
Shut up, coons. It's you. These toilet paper.
No, pig.
Here.
Pig, you better go away.
Or what about here?
I saw you.
No, you didn't, pig. Baby mollusk! Stay away from me, pig. You fat mollusk. No, dang it!
Yes!
You fat pig! Alright, what?
Stop. Oh, fuck over here, you little cunt.
Molluscus, drop that wet sign.
Who was it, pig? Mollusk.
Pig! No! How
I
did
know
you
there's
know?
only one paper towel roll because that's where I was last round.
Fat molly. You little mollusk.
Twisting him.
Grab.
What the heck?
No.
He's not middle floor, by the way. He's upstairs. We'll give you that much.
You're over here, pig, and I know it.
You pig! You can't use that!
Yes, I can. You said after 30
There was
seconds.
20 seconds left, you fat baby. Yes, can we give you something? Joey! No, I need help.
Oh, pig.
Mollusk, please!
Any last words,
please,
Ian?
man. No, Jack, listen. Give me
Okay,
a chance.
I'm
I have a
listening, pig.
proposition.
I am listening.
Give me a chance. Let me run for like 5 seconds, and then.
So you want
Reviews,
me?
reviews,
So wait,
reviews.
hold on. So you want me to break this plotted plan right here?
Yes.
And you want to be? Promise me not to run immediately, okay?
I won't. I will not run immediately. Ow!
Wait, am I hurt?
What?
Is this you?
No, you're not hurting me. You're just.
Okay.
Okay, there. I won't run. Okay.
Okay,
Give
thank
me
you,
5
Pete.
seconds.
Can you stop?
Now, pig, tell me where your teammate is, and then I'll let you be free.
Okay, but then you gotta leave me alone.
Yeah,
and then-
exactly. No,
and then-
exactly. I'll let you win if you just tell me where Joe is.
No!
Hear that, pig?
So, which Mega Mollusk?
Alright, John, what floor are you on?
Oh, someone shot at me. I don't know who that was. You mollusk.
I got him! He
No.
went upstairs. He's a chair.
No, dang it.
Yes!
Wait, that's Joey. What the heck?
Didn't mean to say that.
Nothing personnel, kid. Hey, don't throw that pylon off the top. No, not the recycling.
Please, pig! Please! No!
I'm decently large. I'm about as big as
Okay.
a potted plant.
Okay.
If that makes any sense.
Thanks for the tip.
I'm not hinting that I am a potted plant or anything, you know?
Pig, I know. Shut up! Not in here.
Fat pig.
He said it. Why don't you check before you shoot it, you stupid pig?
No, I can't pick up plants, and he looks suspicious.
But
so
just walk into it.
I have 70 health, big, and we got 25 seconds. Start shooting stuff. Oh, I see him! He's a potted plant! No!
Downstairs in the library. I think I answered my own question. Where'd you go, Joe? I saw you.
Mega pig, mega pig.
I see you, pig. Get back here. You fat bottom.
Joe, where are you? I can see you. Joe, run!
Where the heck? Where'd he go?
No! 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 Joey!
What the heck? You guys are so small.
No, Joey! Close the door on me! No!
Where'd he go? Where'd he go? I don't know where he went. Where'd he go? Where'd that fat pig go? I guess I'll just leave.
Never find me. Oh my god, that was so scary.
I don't know. Yes!
You pig!
Huh.
Only one because you used that fat grenade launcher.
I had 5 seconds. No. Oh, hey, Ian. Hey, Ian. Hey, you fat barrel.
Next time I find you, Jack, I'm giving you no mercy.
Any last words, fat pig, before I kill you?
You suck balls. Case! Now, you're an all-star. You're evil. No! I can't get through. No!
Now you're not allowed to leave, pig.
Get his game on, go.
No, this is so stupid!
What the heck, Ian?
Okay, pig.
You back here, pig?
I've switched props quite a few times.
Pig. Ian, come here. Come to the bottom of the stairs.
Ace.
I think I found him. You mollusk. I was like, maybe he's one of these boxes, and I just turn around and he's a big fat washing machine. To be fair, Joey, if I was just looking really fast, I probably wouldn't have seen you. I'm not even gonna lie. You're pretty well blended in. Pig, where are you? Piglet? Pig, quick! Pig!
Hang
Pig!
on, help! Help me!
What is all that noise?
Nothing, pig.
You left the door open, pig. He's gonna find us. Quick! Keep going.
Why are these barrels falling?
Quick! Go faster!
You can't get in.
Can you not get up here? Oh god! Wait, Ian. Yes!
Oh no, he's taking him out. He's taking him out.
Ian?
What the?
Uh-oh.
You guys, why are you guys so small?
No way, Jack.
Oh!
I just
Why are you
saw
guys so small?
Oh my.
Oh my god. No way.
You guys have to be larger than that.
You see me?
No.
They slap with the bracelet, rap from the basement. Now we overground and the sound got a facelift. And we do the shit all by ourselves. Black Paisley, homeboy, already got my help. From too big to Vince Crank, too long been Anne Frank. No more hiding, I decided we riding for this thing. We got the think tank, some inglorious bastards. Spelled it with the E so Tarantino would thank us. Fuck Sanka and all that decaf. I spit that epinephrine, put you up.